What are action verbs? I am riding. I am sitting down. I am standing. I am winning. I am drinking. I am knitting. I am throwing. I am closing. I am opening. I am skipping. I am sleeping. I am cutting. I am eating. I am cooking. I am sipping. I am fighting. I am playing. I am giving. I am digging. I am bathing. I am laughing. I am dancing. I am climbing. I am skating. I am reading. I am washing. I am crawling. I am waiting. I am diving. I am flying. I am singing. I am buying. I am snoring. I am writing. I am painting. I am caring.